Fiji Hotel Tourism Association Board of Directors, members of FHTA, Fiji Chefs Association, tourism industry stakeholders and exhibitors, ladies and gentlemen, Bula Vinaka, and a very good morning to all of you. It's nice to be back in the West again. It's indeed an honor to be here this morning to celebrate with you for the 13th, I understand, the 13th HOTEC Fiji Trade Show. I think I've seen 3 of them. And I commend the organizers and the Fiji Hotel Tourism Association and Fiji Chefs Association for their commitment towards this very important event. And thank you to all the participants and the exhibitors for your presence here this morning. I understand that we have both local and international exhibitors present today, and it gives me great pleasure to extend a special welcome and a warm welcome to Vendela International from New Zealand, who are here for the first time. And Bula Vinaka, and welcome, Fiji. Also present, ladies and gentlemen, today is an exhibitor who is now participating in this event for the 11th time. I think it's called Vintech Systems, and it's great to have you back again this year. Ladies and gentlemen, we must look forward to the next 3 days, especially the culinary part of it, where our local chefs and baristas will battle that out to see who will cook up the best, and that will surely be, it's best that we will surely describe Fiji's abundant resources and produce, of course, Fiji's divine and luscious cuisine. Through these competitions and events, I strongly believe that we can actually build on effectively utilizing our local produce in the tourism industry, and to this end, my ministry, together with the Ministry of Agriculture, has embarked on such a project, and I'm pleased to announce that at the end of this month we'll be piloting a contemporary island cuisine training for our resort chefs in the Isawas. And we have invited world-renowned chef Mr. Colin Chung to share his experience, his research and teachings with our local chefs and help develop our culinary tourism niche. We're excited about this initiative, and we hope we will spread this out to other tourism regions, and at the same time strengthen the linkages with other economic sectors such as agriculture. Ladies and gentlemen, through such trainings, we aim to raise the overall profile of our food, which we all know is delicious, and furthermore injecting a little creativity and confidence in Fijian flair, which will actually further refresh our local cuisine together with what we proudly showcase to our visitors from outside. The tourism sector, ladies and gentlemen, has made significant contributions to the Fijian economy, and in 2014 the contribution was about 29.4% to our GDP. And additionally, there has been an upward trend in the visitor arrivals for over the past 5 years, with even more encouraging results in tourism earnings. Now, in addition, the Fijian government, and I think a lot of you have heard me say this, has set a bold target of Fijian $2.2 billion tourism receipts by the year 2021, and undoubtedly this task will most certainly require all our combined efforts, and we are also working towards having a Fiji Tourism Forum in March next year, and in the course of the next few months we'll be conducting stakeholder consultations on key projects the ministry is currently undertaking, such as the hotel data collection system and the tourism master plan. Our ministry also is working on releasing some findings of the 2014 International Visitor Survey, which will assist the industry in terms of understanding our visitors' impressions and market trends. And at this juncture, I would also like to commend the tireless efforts of the industry in promoting Destination Fiji and stamping ourselves on the global map. Just last week, I received news that 8 of our tourism properties won special awards for their luxury offerings and exceptional service delivery at the recent World Luxury Hotel Awards in Qatar. And ladies and gentlemen, winning such accolades is a testimony to the service that we deliver, and so congratulations to all the winners, and I look forward to many more awards for the industry. And I hope that over the next few days you'll all be actively engaged in fruitful discussions and valuable exchanges and confidently strengthen your networking and business opportunities. And I urge you all to enjoy our hospitality and enjoy the Fijian cuisine and leave HOTEC 2016 healthier and better than you arrived. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I declare HOTEC 2016 open for business. Thank you very much. Nakabarablewu, and enjoy your morning.
Morning, Minister.
How are you?
One another. You?
Good, thank you.
And for you, you've got a selection of New Zealand wines because we're based in New Zealand. So you have to have somebody collected for you.